बच्चों, आपका एफएमजी एग्जाम है और कहते हैं एग्जाम हो या कोई भी काम हो, अपॉर्चुनिटी नेवर नॉक ट्वाइस। अवसर बार बार नहीं मिलता, दोबारा नहीं मिलता। इसलिए बस अपना जो पूरी ताकत है विश्वास की कल लगाओ, अपनी तैयारी पे विश्वास करके जाओ, निडर होके जाओ, विजय होके आओ। फॉरगेट द पास्ट and watch the present to create better tomorrow.
So guys, the mantra is don't panic, believe in yourself, believe in God, seek the blessings of the parents, and very best of luck from my side. I know you have done the hard work in a proper way, so you will all pass definitely. And let's meet up on the results with passing of yours. Okay.
Hi, dear students. I know you are tense for tomorrow's exam. So do give your best. I would just say that you have studied everything. Everything has been taught. Just think your heart. Maintain the composure. Read the question properly. Don't do silly mistakes. That is only mantra to be successful. Tomorrow, I know when you give the exam, you will be thankful to your faculties that they have contributed immensely in your success.
Our good wishes to all the FMGE January 2024 aspirants from LN Next team. Stay motivated, stay calm, don't overthink, work hard, and remember whatever happens for the good in the big scheme of things.
Hello all FMGEs. 20th Jan is our exam day, and right now each one of you is deeply engrossed in complete revision. ध्यान रखिएगा, be very cool on the exam day and everything will happen just the way you have thought about it. आराम से कूल होकर के ठंडे दिमाग के साथ एग्जाम दीजिए और परमपिता के आशीर्वाद से आप सभी लोग एग्जाम में जरूर पास होंगे।
Do your best, believe in yourself, have confidence, and come out as a winner.
Hello, dear students. Tomorrow is a big day, the FMG exam. My best wishes and blessings to all taking the exam. Try and get a good night's sleep today. Stay calm, stay focused. And remember, when you're sitting in the examination hall and concentrating, whatever you had read or even heard, maybe a few months back or even a year back, will all come back to you. But the key is to stay calm. My best wishes, and I'm sure that you will come out a winner.
Hey guys, don't panic. This is your show time. Just remember, you can, you will.
Hi guys, all the very best for your examination. You have done your best and best thing is yet to happen. Remember the line that कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती.
Hello friends, wish you all the best for your exam. You have really worked hard and you will clear this exam very easily. So have confidence, remain relaxed. Best of luck.
All the best.
All the best.
Best wishes to all of you.
All the best for your upcoming FMG exam.
I wish all the best. I wish that all of you pass the exam.
All the best for FMG exam tomorrow.
Very best of luck.
All the best from my side.
Best of luck from LN Next.
Forget the rest and go for the best. All the best.